Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rifana Arthaningrum and I'm from Mathematics Education of Syarif Hidayatullah Islamic University Jakarta. I'm here to explain about set. Let's get started.
I will explain it through factual example questions. Let's see the problem. Based on research in a school, 12 grade students consisting of 180 students obtained data that 108 students liking biology, 70 students liking math, and 45 students liking both. The question is, how many students don't like both? How can we solve this problem? Let me tell you. To answer this question, we must know the concepts of union, intersection, and complement. First, we will talk about union. The union of two sets is a new set which combines all of the members of both sets by discard duplicate members or elements. The symbol is as follows. For example, set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set B has elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. So, the union of set A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Second, we will talk about intersection. The intersection of two sets is a new set which only includes those members existing in both sets. Symbol is as follows. For example, set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set B has elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. So, the intersection of set A and B is 1, 3, and 5, where 1, 3, and 5 belongs to set A and set B. Next, we will discuss about complement. The complement of a set is defined as every number that is in the universal set that is not in the given set. The symbol is as follows. For example, the universal set has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and set A has elements 1, 3, and 5. So, the complement of set A is 2, 4, and 6. Then, to solve the problem, we need the formula n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, where n is the cardinality or the number of members of set. Back to the questions. Let's try to solve it. Here it's known that the number of students in grade 12 is 180 students. So, the cardinality of the universal set is 180. Let students who like biology are set A. So, the cardinality of set A is 108 students. And let students who like mathematics are set B. So, the cardinality of set B is 70 students. Many students who like both are 45 students. And we know that the intersection of set A and B is 45. The question is, how many students don't like both? And now we will find the cardinality of the complement of A union B. Formula is n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. The cardinality of A union B is the number of students who like biology, math, and both. So, the cardinality of A union B equivalent to the total number of students minus the number of students who don't like both. And now we know that the student is the total number of students minus the number of students who dislike both is equal to the number of students who like biology plus the number of students who like math minus the number of students who like both. So, 180 minus the number of students who don't like both, let's say x, is equal to 108 plus 70 minus 45. So, x is equal to 180 minus 108 minus 70 plus 45. And the result is 47 students. The conclusion is the number of students who don't like both is 47 students. The second way to solve the question is to use a Venn diagram, like this. Let the left side is the set A or students who like biology, and the right side is the set B or students who like math. Next, the first thing we fill is in the middle or the intersection. It's known that there are 45 students who like both, so in the middle contains 45. Here we can see that there are 45 students in set A or students who like biology, while the total is 108 students. So, students who only like biology are 108 minus 45, and the result is 63. So, from 108 students, 63 students only like biology and 45 students like both. Next, we look for students who only like math. From 70 students, there are 45 students who like both. We can know that students who only like math are 70 minus 45. The result is 25. Next, from 70 students, 25 students only like biology and 45 students like both. The cardinality of A union B is 63 plus 45 plus 25, and the result is 133 students. So it can be concluded that the number of students who don't like both is the total number of students minus 133 students, and the result is 47 students. That's all for today's lesson. We have studied the material and solved the problem about sets. I hope you can understand it well, and thank you for watching. See you next time.